Welcome. In this video I will show you how to use camera pro mode on Motorola Moto G10 smartphone. To enable camera pro mode, you have to open the default camera application. Then let's tap no thanks, that's not very important. Tap on the three lines icon and select pro mode. And in pro mode you'll be able to adjust all the values, adjusting your photo quality and look manually. So here we can adjust the AF, the WB to adjust the colors, the shutter speed, the ISO, and also the focus. And you can shoot photos or video in this mode just as you regularly would do. So single press for a photo or hold down for a burst shot. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.